So the new Vegas Post is out, and I think I should try out a few effects, so... Crushed red pepper. I think it works. Vegas Post is the missing piece in the Vegas software line. You could audio edit, you could DVD author, you could do advanced video masking and compositing. Vegas Pro 17 already adds advanced color grading tools and so much more. You had it all at a great price. Well, almost all of it. It was still missing a photo editor and a special effects tool. Until now. Vegas Post is 3 softwares together. It's Vegas Pro 17 for video editing, Vegas Image for, images, and Vegas Effects for, you guessed it, special effects. So first things first, Vegas Pro 17 is just a lion of a video editing software. It's powerful, it's robust, it's fast, it has a vast amount of codecs, and it's so quick and easy to use. It now has more color grading tools, morphing technologies, better speeding up and slowing down tools for velocity. It has so many great uses as a video editor that rivals all the other professional level editors as is. Vegas Effect looks a lot like the software hit film, and that's because it is. But here's the deal, it's actually Vegas integrated software that can now run as part of the Vegas software team. It's used for special effects adding, including 3D effects and simulations. You can run clips in and out of Vegas Effect by simply right-clicking and using it in tandem with the already bursting 2D effects set from Vegas Pro. And there's limitless possibilities. If you're looking to add that extra bit of SFX pizzazz to a film or show you're working on, this is definitely the way to go. It's easy to learn. Being a longtime Vegas user, it only took a couple of mornings practice with the software to accomplish what you saw in the intro, with room to professionalize and scrutinize each effect to your preferred detail. Vegas Image is a layer-based image editing software to complete the suite and give you the ability to edit individual photos that you may be using to go with your media or in your videos. So that's Vegas Post. You can buy it outright or you can subscribe to it. Looking for a cheaper point of entry and not ready to commit to a subscription? You can always try Movie Studio. It's the consumer version of Vegas Pro, and it will teach you the workflow of Pro and still let you into fun effects like text tracking and compositing. If you buy it through my affiliates link, that will really help me out. You can find tutorials for Vegas on our channel, Tech Dive AV Club. For more product reviews, subscribe to this channel, Tech Dive. Thanks for watching, like if this video helped you out, and I'll see you next time. This has been Adam with Tech Dive.